This is a parallel magnetic circuit. A magnetic circuit that consists of more than one path for the plugs is called as parallel magnetic circuit. In a parallel magnetic circuit, reluctances appear to be in parallel. This is similar to a parallel electrical circuit in which resistors are connected in parallel, which provide more than one path for the flow of current. Shows a figure series parallel magnetic circuit and indicate the equivalent electrical circuit. This is a central limb. This is a central limb and this is a limb 1 and this is a limb 2. This is a flux phi 1, flux phi 2 and central limb flux means phi. This is area A1, area A2. Okay, and n turns coil is placed on the central limb of the core. N number of turns coil placed on the central limb of the core, and current I is formed to flow through it. Current flowing through it. Due to this current, flux is developed in the central limb. जे करंट आपण प्रोव्हाइड करतोय सेंट्रल लिम्बच्या कॉइलला, त्यामधून त्यानंतर तिथे फ्लक्स डेव्हलप होतील. ठीक आहे, कुठे सेंट्रल लिम्ब ऑफ द कोअर. ॲट पॉईंट ए दिस फ्लक्स विल गेट डिवायडेड इंटू 2 पार्ट्स आणि ते फ्लक्स 2 पार्टमध्ये डिवायडेड होतील. At point A, this flux will get divided into 2 parts, namely ABCA, ABC and A, and ADCA, as shown in figure. The total flux phi is given by total flux phi means central limb flux phi 1 plus phi 2. This situation is very similar to the current division taking place in parallel electrical circuit. Expression for the total MMF ampere turns. Let us assume that there are 3 arms or 3 limbs of the core as follow. Limb first A to B to C, limb second A to D to C, and central limb A to C. Let the mean length of limb 1, limb 2 and the central limb be denoted by L1, L2 and LC respectively. Then the total MMF is given by total MMF for path A, B, C and A. So F is equal to MMF of path A, B, C plus MMF of path AC. Central limb first and central limb. Okay, ABC plus AC. So F is equal to phi 1 S1 plus phi C SC. Phi 1 S1 means limb first and flux for limb 1 and reluctance for limb 1 plus phi C and SC for central limb. This is because limb 1 and central limb are in series with each other. Second, MMF of path ADCA for second limb and central limb. F is equal to mmf of path ADC plus mmf of path AC. So F is equal to phi 2 SC S2 plus phi C SC. Phi 2 SC S2 for limb second and phi C SC for central limb. This is because limb 2 and the central limb are in series with each other. Equation 1 and 2 shows that the total mmf F is equal to the sum of the mmf of central limb and the mmf of either limb 1 or limb 2. The total mmf can also be expressed as follows: for loop ABCA, mmf F is equal to H1 L1 plus H2 SC LC, and for loop ADCA is equal to mmf to F H2 L1 L2 plus SC LC.